Happy morning, guys. This is Dr.R.Saranya, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Science with Cybersecurity from Dr.R.S.N.S.R.C.A.S College of Arts and Science. Today, in this lecture series, we are going to see the subject C programming. In C programming, we are going to see the topic functions. How we are going to perform function concepts in C programming. That we are going to discuss in this lecture series. First, let us know what is meant by function. Function is nothing but a block of code. Whenever you call that particular function, it will react in C programming code. So in C, we can develop many complicated projects, right? So in that, we are going to divide a large set of program into basic building blocks that we used to code as a function. So the function contains a set of programming statements enclosed with block of codes. Curly brackets we are going to specify in order to design a function code. Function can be called multiple times whenever we are in need of that particular function process. Multiple times in order to provide the reusability as well as modularity to the C programming. In other terms, we used to call as the collection of functions. We can able to create a lot of programs. So complicated problems and all, we can use the function concepts in order to perform in an effective manner. At the same time, the modularity plays a vital role in function concepts. Module by module, we can able to specify the code in order to find out the debugging and all perform easy and efficient way with the help of function concept. Now let us see the function aspects. We have three terms of aspects in functions. First thing is function declaration, and then function call, function definition. First, we are going to declare a function. The function must be declared globally in C programming. Before we specify the main functions, we are going to perform the declaration. We are going to declare a function name, function parameters, and then return type. So after that, after function declarations, we are going to call that particular function. Function can be called wherever we are in need of, because we are declaring it in global section, right? So the parameter list must not differ in function calling as well as function declaration. We must pass the same number of functions as it declared in a function declaration. Next thing is the function aspects. We have function definition. The function definition contains the actual statements which are to be executed. More important aspects in which the control comes when the function is called. The function definition as well as declaration we can able to specify in the same time, or in a different way we can able to specify in separate manner. The function simply we used to code as a function is a block of code. It will perform some kind of action whenever you call that particular function in main function. Now let us see the example program for how we are going to specify the function declaration as well as function call we are going to specify. In order to find the swapping of two numbers using function concepts, we are going to see. Let us see the line by line. First, we have to specify the header file. Preprocessor directive #include standard input output.h, and then before we move on to the main functions, we are going to declare a function. Here the function return type we specified as a void, and then swap here we used to specify for function name, and then we are specifying two parameters. One is A and another one is B. So that we are going to specify with data type int A comma int B. And then within a block of code, first we have to declare one variable int temp. So temporarily we are going to declare one variable. In that variable we are going to store the value of A, and then A is equal to B. That declared for storing the B value in A. So swapping is nothing but we are going to swap A value in B as well as B value in A. So for that reason we are specifying the temp variable. And then finally B value, in that B variable we are going to specify the temp value. After that, after specifying these logic, we are going to print the swapping process, A value as well as B value. In that main functions we are going to declare int a comma b. So that nothing but the variable we are going to declare here, and then get the value for a and b during the runtime. We are going to get the value from the user. After that, the current value before swapping, the current value of a and current value of b we are going to print in display screen. In that we are going to call that function. In that final result we are going to call that function. The result may be the given value is 34 and 56. A value is 34 and b value is 56. So finally, after calling that particular function, the swap of int a comma b, the result would be a is 56 and b is 34. So in this way we have to use the function concepts. Hope you understand how to swap the two numbers with the help of function concepts. Thank you for your patient listening. Thank you. Have a nice day.